I have been receiving different complaints ever since the time I uploaded the video on how you can actually check your JAMB result, and some people have been saying that they have not been able to check their JAMB result. Ever since then, my hand had been on deck trying to find reasons why you have not been able to actually check your JAMB result, and I have actually uploaded some videos on why you cannot check your JAMB result. All right, but then even after that, some people still told me, they reached out to me, that despite the fact that they followed what was in the video, some of them still have not been able to check their JAMB result. So therefore, in this video, I am going to be telling you things that came directly from the JAMB board as to why some of you have not been able to check your JAMB result. And I want you to pay attention to every intrinsic details that I will be talking about in this video. The Joint Admission and Matriculation Board, which is the JAMB, has explained that some candidates are unable to actually assess their UTME result, with many encountering a no result yet message. You understand? I'm talking about people that have not been able to check now. So there was a statement that they issued out on Tuesday by a spokesperson, Benjamin. The board clarified that the situation mainly affects underage candidates whose results have been temporarily withheld. Alright, so according to JAMB now, candidates who do not meet the minimum age requirement will not have their results released immediately. When such candidates attempt to check their scores, the system automatically displays no result yet. The board reiterated that only candidates who will be at least 16 years old by September 30th, 2026 are officially eligible to register for and sit the UTME. However, it noted that there is room for exceptional cases. Underage candidates who demonstrate outstanding academic abilities may still be considered, but under strict conditions. JAMB explained that such candidates must score at least 320 in the UTME and achieve a minimum of 80% in subsequent screening stages to qualify for further considerations. Only those who meet this high benchmark will be shortlisted and invited to continue in the admission processes. The board added that this arrangement was agreed upon with the parents of the affected candidates, ensuring transparency in the processes. For now, JAMB maintained that the results of underage candidates will remain withheld until the screening process is completed. So this is what I am able to gather so far. These are the information I am able to gather so far concerning people that have not been able to check their UTME result. So just calm down and everything is still going to work out well. And as I get more information on how you can actually see your JAMB scores, I will continue to update you on this YouTube channel. These are one of the reasons why you need to actually subscribe to this YouTube channel, so that you can get time-to-time updates. And I will see you in the next video.